Ready to ditch the paper chase and embrace the ease of electronic signatures? First, head over to Docusign and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, hit that new button, it's usually on the left side, and select Send an envelope. Now, let's upload the document you need signed. You can simply drag and drop your file, or click to browse your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Next, it's time to add your recipients. Enter their names and email addresses in the designated fields. You can add multiple recipients and even set a signing order if needed. Here comes the fun part. Drag and drop signature, initial, date, and other necessary fields onto your document where you need them. You can customize the size and placement of these fields to ensure they're perfectly aligned. Once you're happy with the placement of all the fields, double-check everything, then click that big, inviting send button. Docusign will then send an email to your recipients with a link to securely sign the document. You can track the progress of your envelope from your Docusign dashboard, seeing who has signed and who's still waiting. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a notification, and the completed document will be securely stored in your Docusign account. You can easily download, print, or share it as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully requested a signature using Docusign.